What's up, YouTube? Metal Anthony here with another one for you. So, I finally ponied up. I've been wanting these things for a long time. Been looking at them on the internet. Stalking them, you might say. And I finally decided to pull the trigger on it and go ahead and buy these. So what am I talking about, you might be thinking to yourself? Every welder, every fabricator, every maker of things that have to be square want these things. The Fireball Tool Square. But I didn't just buy the minis. No, not just the minis. I also got the old aluminum square. Comes with a retaining pack, or retaining clips as well. Got that one out of aluminum. Got these out of black oxide cast iron. And then, this one I haven't even seen yet. The Big Mama. I'm sure you guys know which one I'm talking about. I decided to pony up, be a man. Oh, I didn't think this through. Adapt, improvise, overcome. The Peanuts. And now, the Big Mama. This is the first time I'm feasting my eyes on it. Oh. All right. I got some plans for this thing here. Got some plans for it. That is the Big Mama there. Do all sorts of squaring, all sorts of keeping things straight. All right, so we're gonna bring these out and we're gonna use them on a fabrication project I have coming up in the next couple of days, and we're gonna keep our shit straight. You know, that's what it's all about. Keeping your shit straight. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and use our Fireball squares to square up this frame I have to weld up for a customer. Well, let's go ahead and tack this thing up. So I wasn't able to film the whole project for you guys because I had a little equipment malfunction. But hey, that's life, right? But anyway, yeah, I'm real stoked about these squares. I would suggest them. I didn't get a chance to use the aluminum one. I did use the other 3 squares. They work just as advertised. One thing I would be wary of is weld spatter. Something I should have thought of. It slipped my mind. So if you have an anti-spatter spray, go ahead and I would give them a light dusting of that and then, you know, weld away. But I did end up picking a few BBs out of my minis. But hey, I didn't scar them. No harm, no foul, right? I'll put in the area over here what I ended up building. Customer was happy. Some sort of floor cover thing. The guy had a 2nd story built. I won't get into the details of that. But all that matters is the customer was happy. The product got delivered, got fabricated, and it was kept square with these Fireball Tool Squares. So yeah, if you're in the market, got my suggestion. If you liked my video, give it a share, give it a like, give it a subscribe. Do what you can. And if you didn't, pound salt.